white line on the right. We're not going to cross the line.
So we stay here.
We stay on this lane until we finish.
Fantastic.
Just to allow the faster cars safety. We don't want to cut in front of them and
disrespect the Rari.
Exactly. You know, we don't want to pretend to be a taxi driver and cut them off. You don't have to worry about indicators at all.
Okay.
Indicators are very different around a racetrack.
Right. You don't need them.
Correct. And we only use them to indicate if we're allowing a car to overtake us and something along those lines. So what I'm going to suggest is stay on the far left.
Far left? Okay.
Correct.
Oh.
And I'm going to just give an indicator and we're just going to let a car overtake us.
Okay, cool.
Right? Perfect. Okay.
The real drivers of the...
The slightly more experienced.
Not even slightly. Very experienced compared to me.
The most important
staying
part.
Here?
Correct. Okay. The most important part is that you enjoy yourself.
Right.
And you get experience of being around the circuit. Okay.
So
now, do you trust me?
I do.
Is there a little bit of trust?
Yes.
I'm going to ask you to accelerate all the way, flat.
Okay.
Very good. Aim for the cone, and now I want you to slowly start to brake. Get off the brakes, and we're gently going to turn into the corner.
Wow.
Gently, just like that. And accelerate for me. Accelerate. Very good. And we're just going to take a bit of a dynamic line. Aim for the cone, now on the brakes. And just slow the car down. Gently turn into the corner for me. And start to squeeze the throttle. Nice and progressive. And now flat. Accelerate all the way. Very good. Just brake for me gently. Now we've got a chicane. So we're going to turn left. Go to the white line.
White line.
On the left.
On the left.
And now start to accelerate.
Start to accelerate.
Aggressively, yes.
Aggressively. Oh my god.
Go accelerate, accelerate, keep accelerating. And we're going to make our way up to the top of the hill. Now it's a bit of a blind corner, but don't panic.
Okay. Am I still accelerating or braking?
And now you're starting to brake.
Okay.
Brake a little bit harder, a little bit harder, a little bit harder. And now turn into the corner. Excellent, well done. You're doing like a professional. Now we're going down the hill into mine shaft.
Okay.
So we're going to accelerate. Once again, flat out accelerate.
I'm not freaking out. I'm not freaking out.
You're not freaking out. You're doing really well. Gently brake a little bit. And now off the brakes. And we're just going to feed the car through the corner. And now start to accelerate. Accelerate, 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 accelerate. And brake. A little bit harder. A little bit harder. Brake a little bit harder. Brake a little bit harder. Perfect. Now start to turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. And I want you to start to accelerate again.
It's what?
Be straight in the steering wheel. So this is a very slow, tight corner. So you need to start to brake.
Okay.
And then we're going to sharp turn into the corner. Excellent. Start to gently accelerate. Perfect.
Gently.
And we're going into the pits.
That is so epic.
Well done. You drove like a professional.
Oh, thank you.
You won my job.
Not yet.
Not yet. One more lap.
Maybe about 60 more.
You drove really well.